Wednesday is looking like a good day for the markets. If you look at the benchmark indices, positive territory, holding on to gains. You have broader markets that's trading mixed as of now. You have the pharma index and the FMCG index that is gaining in trade, but what's losing is your PSC sector, you have your metal sector and the energy sector. We're talking about the energy sector. What's actually declining the most on it is PPCL. The divestment candidate is down most in over 6 months after the government extended the bid deadline for the submission deadline for BPCL to November 16th. It is more than a month of a delay that they have put in for it. Also, remember that this is the fourth time that the government has gone ahead and extended the deadline for the bid submission for BPCL. The DIPAM's notification stated that due to COVID-19 uncertainties, they had to go ahead and extend the bid submission deadline. The stock is down about 14% in the last 30 days and it snapped its 2-day gaining streak today. Credit Access Grameen, the stock has risen for a fourth straight session. You have HSBC that has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating with a target of 950 rupees per share. The note states that the company is well positioned in current uncertain environment. They are saying thanks to the strong parentage of Credit Access, healthy liquidity position, diversified liability profile, as well as dominant position in the region it operates. That's why HSBC is positive on Credit Access Grameen. The stock is up about 7.5% in the last 5 trading sessions. Welspun Corp is locked in upper circuit of 5% after the bagging an order close to about 1,400 crore rupees. The company has said that their order book is now at about 6,300 crore rupees. That's why Welspun Corp is up about 5% in trade. And also this is the fourth straight session of gains coming in for that counter, has gained about 11% in the last 5 trading sessions. Next up, you have PNB as well as Lakshmi Vilas Bank. That is in focus today. Lakshmi Vilas Bank taking a huge knock in trade today, down about 6%. And sources have told ET now that PNB is in talks with RBI for acquisition of Lakshmi Vilas Bank. PNB is studying issues like capital requirement, financial position, as well as the NPA position. It is good to note that LVB is currently in talks with Clicks Capital, and also you had PNB clarify also come to the exchanges saying that they are denying the reports on any deal talks with Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Apart from that, which are the stocks that are actually buzzing in trade today? I will take you through those stocks and also take you through the stocks that are actually at 52-week high. If you look at what's actually aiding the markets today, it is HDFC Bank, HDFC as well as HUL that's lending support to the benchmark indices as of now. What's at 52-week high level? You have Advanced Enzyme, Solara Active, Adani Green. They are the ones that are at 52-week high levels today. Apollo Hospitals and APL Apollo Tubes are at record high. So this is how the market is looking like today.